Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about how to install an exterior storm door. Installing an exterior storm door is a great way to save some energy in your house. Because what it does is it cuts down a lot of drafts and actual insulating value to your front entrance. Now we've already got an exterior door that's installed here, so we can just cut. What you're going to need to do is first determine what size door you're going to need. And to do that, your exterior door has a recessed frame on this brick mold. And what you want to do is you want to measure the inside dimensions between that brick mold opening on the width. So in this case, this is 36 inch. And then you want to measure the height, which in this case is 80.5 inches. And you'll take those dimensions, and that's what you want to do is when you go pick out your storm door, you want to pick out a storm door that will fit within those dimensions. Now, to install the storm door, you're going to need a drill to drill some holes. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, and then you're also going to need a level to do this. Now, to start with, we will start with by placing the frame. Now, the frame will go in, and then what we've got to do is we've got to plumb up or true up this top piece, and I'm sorry, you're going to need one more thing. You're going to need a framing square, because you want to put your framing square up here, because you got to make sure that this frame fits in here where your two corners up here are square so that your door opens and closes correctly. So what we'll do is we'll put the frame and the door in here, and as you notice, the storm doors come without a bottom. So they're the two side rails and then a top rail. So what that allows us to do is to adjust these side rails up and down in order to be able to account for any outer square on the door and to get these in. Now, once we have this in place, we will attach into the frame with screws. In this case, right here, these are underneath this face trim. There are screws that attach this frame in here, screws that attach the frame on that side, and then on this side where you have your hinge points, these hinge points will also have additional screws that go all the way through into the framing in order to support the weight of your door. So I'm Tim Gibson, and that's how to install a storm door.